from the rural community of Nepal. I grow there, and I myself experience myself experience the huge gender discrimination, as well as like the huge inequality in the community. So I am inspired to work towards this with the women in Nepal, and then I design the model that not only help women to learn distribution business, but learn the business skills and start from there to to have the established business, and also gain confidence, help like get the respect from the community and then friends and family, and really come up with a confident level in her home, as well as take a decision and think about for future.